installing the 70306 I-joist hanger or the 40903 nail gun hanger to your Senco NS20XP staple gun. Now, this has a nice belt clip on it until it breaks, but some people like a hanger on it and hang it from the rafters and stuff. So the first thing you do is remove the bolt holding the track to the body. Go ahead and set the bolt aside. You'll have to pick yourself up a M5 by 0.8 by 20 to make it work with the hanger, or if you order it on the website, we will include the proper hardware. So I'll put the original washer onto the bolt, hanger over the hole. In the big hole, the front hole, put the new bolt through. You kind of got to crank the track back into place. This one's easier to run your bolt all the way through. Start your nut on the back side. And then slide the nut into its spot, a little slot in the back after you start it. It just makes it a lot easier the way the track lines up. And then you just tighten it down nice and tight. It's a good fit on this stapler. Handy for hanging when you're working up sheet in a roof.